What's going on all my winners? My name is Joey Winning from Winning Tint, and today we got a 2023 BMW i7. The customer decided to get our best quality tint in nano ceramic, and he's going to go with 20% on the front windshield, the front windows, the back windows, as well as the back windshield, which is going to protect his interior from those violent UAV rays. I just want to let all the viewers out there know that if you want to move around to a specific part of this video, feel free to hit one of the timestamps in the description below. For almost 20 years, we've been servicing our customers' high-end BMWs on an expert level, with good business and safety in mind. Let's pull this i7 out of the rain and see what this car looks like before we install its final touches. You can immediately see the classic big body style revamped with new features that will leave any car enthusiast speechless. The door handle has a button that allows for push to open as well as a hideaway lever to open manually. Before we jump in, you can see the OEM Bowers & Wilkins speaker system, which is a high performance audio system with exceptional clarity. You can also see on the door panels that the seat controls have been brought to life by BMW with the very tasteful crystal knobs. Jumping into the driver's seat, we can see a multi-screen setup as well as a crystal-like panel that stretches around the two front seats, which are wrapped in merino leather. The panel acts as a control board for the ventilation as well as opening the doors. Looking down at the center console, we can see a bunch of bedazzling crystallized control features. Peering into the back seat, we can see the same merino leather setup in a very spacious and luxurious atmosphere. The back seating system comes equipped with a screen display for climate control, music control, phone call capabilities, as well as seat positioning. That is a lot of back seat control, but this car is extending a concern for a backseat owner and chauffeur position, I suppose. The back of the headrests have these wood veneers wrapped around it, showing out more of this car's detail and adding to an exclusive ambiance that you only really get in elite auto luxury. I personally feel that BMW has outdone itself with the interior, integrating luxury and technological advancements. As lovely as this car looks on the inside before we install the nano ceramic tint, let's check out the exterior one last time as the winning team preps this car for its final touches. As good as this car looks, it's gonna pop that much harder once the tint is applied to it, especially with the black accents that run all throughout the vehicle. The lighting system offers a peculiar design with turn signals and daytime running lights above the main beams, which sits side by side the controversial beaver grille. A lot of people complained how boxy this car is and how upright this car stands, whereas other people have complained about its main competitor, the Mercedes EQS 580, and how it's way too rounded out. While both cars maintain superior interiors that are technology driven, I feel the i7 is more refined and mature, where the EQS is more playful and childish. While people flip-flop on the idea of what's what and what should be, let's throw these two competitors on the chart to see how the specs compare. The BMW i7 boasts 536 horsepower. It has a large price tag of $120K and gets going at 4.3 seconds from 0 to 60. While the range slacks in my opinion at 318 miles per charge. The Mercedes EQS 580 has 516 horsepower respectively, and is priced at an even larger price tag of $125,000. It picks up pretty quick at 4.1 seconds from 0 to 60 and has an impressive range of 446 miles per charge. The differences start with 20 more horsepower to the i7 and $5,000 less to the i7 again, but has 0.2 second difference from 0 to 60 in favor of the EQS, along with 128 more miles in range, again going to the EQS. While the differences aren't staggering, for style and a personal love for BMW, I would definitely choose the i7. Let's jump into a quick fun fact about the notorious 7 Series. The BMW 7 Series first came about in 1977 and ironically has gone through 7 generations, landing us in today's all-electric i7, the first of its kind. Now let's check out the winning team tinting the i7 the winning way. Now that the winning team has completed the installation, we can see how well this car is looking here inside the shop. But let's pull it out and see how it looks with the daylight on it. The customer was thrilled with the results. If you like what we did to the i7 today, don't hesitate to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more content as well as future raffles and giveaways. I also want to mention that we now offer 100-day interest-free financing, so you too can come in and apply to become a winner, as we offer many services here at Winning. Bring in your S-Class to get wrapped, or your other S-Class. We do color tinting, we can even wrap your taillights or powder coat your rims. My name is Joey Winning, thank you for watching, and remember to always stay winning.